Daddy, do you want to eat all?
I'm sure it don't slip.
No. Anyway. Yeah, you're gonna eat for you. We still have the chair for Gavin, the one, right? We can use the one day. We still have the one, right?
I think so.
Eat rice, Lily. Go on, eat more rice.
This is good and tasty. I'll go second now.
We don't have oyster oil, so I just put the link to your dad. Hey, Daddy!
Hey, Missy, come on. Down. Hey, come on. Lily, come on. Down.
Ay!
Yeah.
Your Papa over there. Daddy, can you just grab it? I'm sure to go over there because Papa. Nanay, nag-eat na ko na tayo. Wala pa yung 23 years lang yun lang na. This is his new pacifier.
That's some good shit, Mama.
But I like the vegetables. Tadi, the vegetables ha, no.
What?
Put the one over there, Papa, the one. Na Papa, I eat Papa, oh.
Papa, those are tacky shrooms. All the shooting.
Yeah, Papa, I eat. Look at me, Papa, oh, I eat. She doesn't care.